Hey, this is David. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the door switch on an electric dryer. You might need to change out this part if it failed proper testing or it's been damaged. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a Phillips head screwdriver. While you're getting those together, remember to keep safety first. Always unplug that power cord before you do any work on your appliances. To access the door switch, use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 2 screws at the back of the console. Push it forward and up. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the top panel. You should be able to see the switch on the right side, and you'll have access to the connector, which you can then separate. Open the door and use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws that hold the switch in place. Once it's removed, connect the new switch to the connector. So if you drop it, it won't drop down into the dryer. Now use the 2 screws to screw the connector back into position. Replace the top panel and secure it with the 3 screws. Reposition the console and install the 2 Phillips head screws. And don't forget to plug your dryer back in. You made it. Great job. And thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. If you haven't gotten a replacement door switch yet, grab your model number. Head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. While you're at it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos, and of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.